Most people download the Dave app, expecting an instant $500 advance on day one. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your actual borrowing limit in 2026 depends on several hidden factors that most users completely overlook. In this video, I'll explain exactly how much you can borrow on the Dave app in 2026, how borrowing limits are calculated, what increases your approval amount, and the mistakes that keep users stuck with tiny advances. Let's get straight into it. The Dave app offers cash advances through a feature often called Extra Cash. In 2026, eligible users may qualify for advances up to around $500. But here's the important part. Very few new users start with the maximum amount. Most first-time users receive much smaller limits. For example, Jake signs up today and links a bank account with inconsistent deposits. He may only qualify for $50 or $100 initially. Meanwhile, Alex has steady direct deposits every week and a healthy account history. He has a much better chance of unlocking higher limits over time. But here's the problem. Many people think credit scores are the biggest factor. That's not usually true with apps like Dave. Dave mainly looks at your banking activity, recurring income deposits, account balance history, spending behavior, and whether previous advances were repaid successfully. In simple terms, the app wants proof that money regularly flows into your account. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Direct deposit can make a huge difference. Users with consistent paycheck deposits often qualify for larger advances faster than people using irregular transfers. This is especially important for gig workers like Uber drivers or DoorDash users with fluctuating income. And there's another factor many users ignore completely: instant transfer fees. Dave may offer standard transfers at lower cost or free options depending on timing, but faster delivery usually comes with extra fees. Those small charges may seem harmless at first, but repeated instant transfers can quietly become expensive over time. This is where most people fail. They keep borrowing repeatedly without improving their financial situation. For example, John takes a $100 advance every single week just to cover regular bills. Eventually, repayment hits his account, and he immediately needs another advance again. That cycle becomes hard to escape. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to actually increase your borrowing limit safely. The best strategy is maintaining consistent deposits, avoiding overdrafts, repaying advances on time, and keeping stable account activity. Apps like Dave reward predictable financial behavior more than almost anything else. So how much can you realistically borrow on Dave in 2026? For many new users, expect smaller starting advances, often somewhere between $50 and $200. Users with stronger account history and regular deposits may eventually unlock significantly higher limits over time. The key is understanding that Dave works more like a financial trust system than a traditional loan approval process. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the highest Dave advance you've received so far. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing Dave versus Earnin to see which cash advance app is actually better in 2026.